What's up everybody? Hope everybody's well today. Welcome back to the channel. So today's salad we're going to be mixing a bit of savory, a bit of sweet, basically we've got yellow pepper which we're going to chop up quite small, pop that on. We've got some char-grilled onions that are in a balsamic vinaigrette. Now that vinaigrette is going to become the vinaigrette for the salad dressing, so we're just going to put some olive oil in that, chop up some chives, a bit of balati beans on top. We've got 2 eggs which are hard boiled, which we're just going to sort of cut in halves, and then some chives to top it all off with a bit of chia seeds. So pretty basic, pretty simple. To be honest, it's what was left in the kitchen. Basically what I'm going to be doing, I think from not tomorrow but maybe the next day, is 10 days of international salads. So I think we've got like a Japanese, a Peruvian, I don't know, there's a list. So I will get back to that tomorrow. If there's anything that you'd like to see, please let me know. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and I'm happy to do requests. So enjoy the salad. Cheers.